Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. Got another Taco Bell Crunchwrap that I have veganized. This time I have veganized the one with the meat alternative, and I don't know if you can get any meat alternatives at Taco Bell yet. They do have their fresco menu that's got no animal products, but I don't think they're using any like Beyond or any vegan cheese or anything. I don't know. It was so easy to use in this, so I don't know why they haven't started doing that yet. But I've never had one, any version, so I decided to give this a try because I have those giant flour tortillas and some tostada shells. So basically what you do is you cook up some whatever your favorite ground beef alternative is in some taco seasoning, and then you make the Taco Bell nacho cheese. I made mine out of Violife with water, sodium citrate, and jalapeno brine, and a pinch of chipotle powder. And when that's all done, you shred some lettuce and chop some tomatoes and mix them with vegan sour cream. So that's all ready to go. And you heat your pan up, and you put the flour tortilla down with the meat on it. You drizzle it with the cheese sauce. Then you put on the tostada, and then you pile up the lettuce and tomato mixed with sour cream, and then you try to fold it, like pleat it over the top so that it is fully enclosed, and then you toast it in a dry pan on both sides so it gets crunchy. So this is going to be messy. I've got it here with some salsa, but this is probably going to be messy, so let me give it a try. It's very good. All those different flavors and textures. So if you miss that sort of thing from Taco Bell, and you don't want to wait for them to do their own vegan version, give this recipe a try. It's really good. I like it. So thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys later.